Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn English vocabulary of the collective nouns of animals. So before moving to toward the topic, I would like to request you, if you are new at my channel, kindly subscribe it, like it, share it, and don't forget to press the button of bell icon. What is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of group or the collections. Collective noun जो है किसी भी चीज़ की ग्रुप और कलेक्शन को जाहिर करता है. इसमें आज हम सारे जो है collective noun पढ़ेंगे. वीडियो को एंड तक देखें. A congregation of alligators. A candle of anteater. A herd of antelope. A swarm of ants. Here the congregation, candle, herd, swarm or the collective noun. A shrewdness of apes. Here is the picture of apes. A seat of badger. Here you can see the badger. A colony, cloud or camp of bats. These are the bats. A sloth or sleuth of bears. Here the shrewdness, seat, colony, cloud, camp or the collective noun. A colony of beavers. Here you can see the beaver. A swarm of bees. A herd, gang or obstinacy of buffalo. A caravan of camels. Here the colony, swarm, herd, gang, obstinacy, caravan or the collective noun. They show the collections of the things. A clodder or a glaring adult of cats. A coalitions of cheetahs. A flock, brood, clutch or peep of chickens. A quiver of cobras. Clodder, glaring, coalitions, flock, brood, clutch, peep and quiver are the collective noun because they show the collection of the things. This is not an easy job to remember the collective noun, so you have to remember all of these. A herd of cows. A cast of crabs. A basque of crocodile. A mother of crows. Not a mother of crows. It's the mother shows the collection of the crows, not a cling of a crows. So herd, cast, basque, and mother are the collective noun. A mob of deer. A pack, adult or litter, puppies of the dogs. Herd, pod or school of dolphins. A drove of donkeys. Mob, pack, litter, herd, pod, school and drove show the collection. A toll of doves. A paddle or a raft of ducks. Padding, sorry. A convocations of eagles. A parade of elephants. A gang or a herd of elk. Here's a toll, paddling, raft, convocation, parade, gang and herd are the collective noun. They show the collection of these pictures. A cast of falcon. Here you can see the falcon. A business of freight. A shoal or school of fish. A stand of flamingo. Cast, business, shoal, school and stand are the collective noun. A skulk or leash of foxes. An army of frogs. A gaggle of geese. A tower of giraffes. Skulk, leash, army, gaggle and tower are the collective noun. They show the collection of these respective things. can see their pictures also, and picture will be helpful to in order to identify the animals. The flock or the trip of goats, a band of gorillas, a herd or a muddle of Guniva, Guinea pigs, a bloat of hippopotamus. As the flock, trip, band, herd, or muddle, or bloat show the collection of these respective things. And the pictures, you can see the pictures in this video. A team rag of gold or string of ponies, a cackle of hyenas, a mass of iguanas, a shadow of jaguar. Team, rag, string, cackle, mass, and shadow are the collective noun. They show the collection of these things you can see in the picture, iguana and jaguar. A pack or skulk of jackals, a smack of jellyfish, a troop or a mob of kangaroos, a slice of lemmings. Pack, skulk, smack, troop, mob, and slice are the collective noun. A conspiracy of lemur, a leap of leopard. Here are the lemurs and here are the leopards. A pride of lions, one of the king of beasts. A lunge of lizards. So the conspiracy, leap, pride, and lunge are the collective noun. A pod of lobster. Here you can see the lobster. A mischief of mice. Here are the mice. A laver of moles. Here you can see the moles. A barrel or troop of monkeys. The naughty things here, support, mischief, labor. A pack of mules. Here you can see the mules. A family of otters. A team or a yoke of oxen. A parliament of owls. The pack, family, team, yoke, and parliament are the collective noun. A pandemonium of parrot. A muster or ostentatious. A peacock, a kit of pigeons. A drift or a drove of younger pigs, and the sounder or the team of older pigs. A pickle of porcupine, a herd of rabbits, a colony of rats, and unkindness of ravens. Pickle, herd, colony, unkindness are also the collective noun. A crash of rhinoceros, you can see the rhinoceros. A plump of seals, a shiver of shark, a flock or the fold of sheep. As a crash, plump, shiver, flock or fold are the collective noun. A host of sparrow, a tray or scurry of squirrel, a bevy or a game of swan, an ambush or streak of tiger. A knot of toads, a gang or a rafter of turkey, a bell or a nest of turtle, a zeal of zebra. I hope you have understood these and enjoy a bit. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, Allah.